Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to be installing the AVS tape-on vent visors on this 2022 Toyota Tundra. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up to date with all the latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this installation, we're going to start on the driver's side rear because the rear is going to help us to line up the front. Now on the driver's side rear, you're going to notice you've got kind of a square corner over here and a more rounded corner over here. Rounded corner goes to the rear of the vehicle, the square corner goes to the front. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this ledge right here rests on top of our window frame. So we're going to set that in place and kind of let it drop down so we can line it up. And we're going to rock it forward to where it's just right to the edge of the door frame. Now we're going to take a look at where our tape is going to make adhesion to the truck so we can pull this away and clean that with one of our provided alcohol prep pads. Okay, now let me show you real quick what I've done to prepare everything. I've got just a little bit of the tape pulled away on each side, and I've got it pulled up to where whenever I stick it to the surface, I can pull the tape out from underneath. So what we're going to do is set it back in place, kind of where it was. And bear down. And then go ahead and start peeling away the tape. All right, once that's peeled away, go ahead and bear down. I like to use a microfiber cloth. I can bear down and rub that tape in to get really good adhesion. All right, let's go ahead and move up to the front. Okay, now for your front visor, what we're going to do is we're going to allow this portion of the visor to rest on top of our window frame, like so, and then the back portion we want to line up with our rear visor. Now, once we get it set in place, again, take note of where we're going to need to wipe down with rubbing alcohol. We're going to push this to the side. And alcohol prep pad. Okay, now just like in the rear for the front, I'm peeling away just a little bit of the tape on either side so I can pull it out. We're going to line it up to the rear visor. Just kind of bear down a little bit to get initial adhesion. Go ahead and peel out the rest of the tape. And again, go ahead and rub that in with a microfiber cloth. All right, now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you guys found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.